are going to see a video on how to place an order with Sanjay Nursery. You just click on this link that you'll receive from our team when you make an inquiry with us. On this particular link, we have listed all the products that we have, and the products are listed into various categories. So for example, the aglaonema plants, the pots, the ceramic pots, cactuses, and other products as well. You could just scroll down and see all the products that we have to offer. For example, say you're interested in aglaonema, you could just click on this particular link and you can add whatever products you wish to add to your basket. Say for example, you need 10 numbers of this particular plant. You did not tap this 10 times. You could just say 10. You could just edit the quantity here. Say apart from aglaonema, you are interested in products from other categories. You just go back and add products from other categories too. If you need the details of this particular item, you could just click on this and the dimensions and all the other details are given here. So you could just add from here, and then whatever products you've added, you could view the same in your basket. You also have an option of editing the quantity here, and once you see everything is okay, you just have to enter your billing details here. It's very important that you give all the correct information here, since that avoids a lot of rework. So once all these details are given, like your name, contact details, email ID, in case if you want to receive the order on your email, it's important that you give your email ID here and all the other details. Once everything is checked and confirmed, you could just click on confirm the order, and that's how your order is confirmed. If you click on receive order by email, you'll receive an order by email. This is how you'll receive an order copy on your email. It contains all the products that you've ordered along with the quantity, price, and other details. Once all these details are confirmed, we receive this order in our dashboard. These products that you currently see are listed at retail prices. We convert this into wholesale prices. We check the stock and then send you a final Excel quote. This is how the quote looks like. It contains the same products that you've ordered, but the difference being the retail prices are now converted into wholesale. And we try and check the quantity and send you the final quote. And we also add the packaging and shipping charges here. You see the packaging and shipping charges added in the Excel quote. We only do this once we receive your order on the Quicksell dashboard. Once this is done, you just have to make the payment and confirm the order.